This is the Days Eye Channeling and a reading for the 27th of February. We'll begin with channeled messages. Sunglasses, many untruths glare, replay, bury away, lack regard, gamer and game player, rally up, criminal assault, and car crash. Plagiarize, plagiarism has occurred, blasphemy also. I'm getting a secondary energy, there's more than one. Much regret, ready for peace, say sorry, apologize. Page Cups. Passenger caught, airplane passenger caught, and large karma cargo slipped up. Cry, crawl, call. And car crash, carry up, away. And then some names came out. I didn't spend too much time, but these are the ones that just were spelled out and popped out. Mary, we almost had Magdalene. Lauren, Court, Stacy, Tara, Tara, Craig, it's more than one, Carrie Ann, Cassie, and Zach. And we almost had my last name spelled out as well. So we'll go ahead and leave those there, leave that there, and see what the tarot wants to show us today. Okay, this one. Alright, so we have the High Priestess in reverse, the little owl. So what I'm getting here right off the bat is secrets being exposed. What's done in the dark being brought to the light. Perhaps the energy that tried to bury their secrets. The divine is now exposing them. And then on the reverse we have the cat's in the background making some noise. We have the Magician, the Crow, and we haven't seen the Magician, so we'll check this one out. Hey, Nick. Yeah. All right, I know you're right there, sorry. Can you get fish? So what I see in the background here is the full moon. I'm picking up the full moon energy that we're still in. And manifestation occurring over this most recent full moon cycle. And I have been seeing a lot of black crows around. So this is symbolic of both light and shadow energies being stirred up as we release a death cycle and begin a rebirth cycle. Just as the moon does, so too does the collective. So let's go ahead and check it out. The Magician, the Crow, Major Arcana, Numerical Oracle 1. I turned right to it, and upright. Manifestation of ideas and goals in the material realm. Learning to use one's own power to take action. Being resourceful and utilizing what's available to the present, or in the present. Entering a flow state. Yeah, that's nice. Being in the flow. Rather than trying to swim upstream. Okay, in depth, the Magician marks the point of the hero beginning to utilize current abilities to learn new skills. Through trial and error, the hero will continue to build on their existing skill set using new methods for achieving better results, though never reaching total mastery. There is always something more to learn on the journey. The magician employs creativity to deliver results. The crow is considered among the most intelligent animals, next to dolphins, pigs, and other non-avian species. The crow's intelligence is especially evident in its kinesthetic abilities and its use of tools. In one study, a representative example of corvid problem solving, a crow was presented with some food floating in a tube of water. We've talked about this before, but the water level was below its reach. Adjacent to the tube was a small mound of pebbles. The crow, seeming to understand the mechanics of water displacement, transferred enough pebbles to the tube to lift the floating food to within its reach. But it wasn't in this book. The magician traditionally uses all 4 elemental suits of the tarot deck. The crow, in Wiccan belief, harnesses all 5 elements of creation: air, water, fire, earth, and ether, once believed to be the element that filled the upper regions of the sky. Both the magician and the crow use all the tools available to them to come up with creative solutions to a current solution. We'll go ahead and end the video right there today, and we'll try to make a smooth landing here. We'll see how it goes. We'll do